graduates, as you move
itemine ria kuhitana na mathukuru ma college maria makoretwo magithomithia kothi itiganite matari na marua ma guciitikiria riu thirikari ni iranire ni kwambiriria BIRIGICENI ya kuhinga mathukuru maya. Ndeto ino yaniriirwo ni murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa kuramata kothi cia moko guku bururi-ini Technical and Vocational Training Authority TVETA, Timothy Nyongesa.
The authority undertakes regular monitoring and evaluation of training institutions in the whole country and will not hesitate to close down those found to be non-compliant.
Akiaria hinde igongona ria kuhumba arutwo thumbi thukuru-ini wa Jordan mwena wa Thika kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Nyongesa ugite mihango ene tanyitwo kuguna arutwo na aciari aria matigagwo makinyamarika thutha wa guthomithio mathomo matangimateithia ni thukuru itetikiritio.
They are causing unfair competition within the subsector for those that are complying with the standards.
Ohoni ateterithitie wirutiri wa ruhonge ruu hari guthingatithia ikiro cia iguru cia mathomo ma kothi cia moko guku bururi-ini.
TVETA shall continue playing its regulatory role of TVET through development of standards, accreditation of institutions, programs and trainers, and quality audit of institutions. So from time to time, you will see us passing through Jordan College to just confirm that you are still doing the right thing.
Kahinda-ini kau muingi wa bururi-ini uritio himbirie kuhuthira indo iria ithondekeirwo guku bururi-ini ari njira imwe ya gukuri IGANDA na guthondeka mieke ya mawira. Ritana riri riheanitwo ni mwandiki MUKARU ministry-ini ya IGANDA na wonjoria Ndagitari JUMA MWANDIKI.
And you, as you develop your products, as you sell those products, I want to ask Kenyans that the time has come when Kenyans must consume what is made in Kenya. That is the only way that we can grow this country together and support the government's policy of Buy Kenya, Build Kenya.
MUKHWANA uri uraragia hinde igongona ria kuhumba arutwo thumbi thukuru-ini wa University wa Mount Kenya ni uritie mathukuru ma gikiro kia iguru metikire guthomithia mbeu njithi kothi iria ikumahotithia kuona kana gwiturira mieke ya mawira.
Ministry for Investments, Trade and Industry, we want to work with you to turn these innovations into products that can be sold and consumed by Kenyans so that we can grow our economy.
MUKHWANA ni athiete na mbere na kuga thirikari ri na mubango wa gukuruhania mathukuru ma kothi cia moko na IGANDA ngurani niguo kuhotithia arutwo kugia na umenyo mukinyaniru wa wira wa maundu maria marathomera.
Every time that a country imports products from another country, we export jobs. Encourage many Kenyans to start to add value, to produce made in Kenya products so that together we can grow as a nation.